Welcome back to the next part of the show, and we will now kick off the lesson of the Unit 2G with the next part of the writing. Yesterday we did writing analysis, and tonight it is the next part. It is the writing task. So you may notice that I wore the same clothes at the Tuesday show because it is like a coincidence. So maybe just a coincidence. So nothing. Who knows? But we will now do all of these because it is important. I will just give out some of the things that you still need to remember, and because it is important, so you cannot forget any of those things. So we'll do right now, it is the exercise number 1 on page 23. Work in pairs, so we don't need pair, we just need you and me. You are going to write an essay entitled The Best Things in Life Are Free. Think of points that you could include. Write as many as possible under the two headings. First, it is the points in favor. Support means to support the statement, or points against means to give the other side of the argument. So, I'm going to help you doing this because it is for the first time how to write an essay with the closer. We digging down it. So essay not only tells your own opinion, but also you have to point out your support and your argument for the idea given in the text. So we will have to think of our points in favor means to support the statement, and points against means to give the other side of the argument. So with the title, The Best Things in Life Are Free. Is this free? No, it is drinking. To get myself stay awake. Think of the points that you could include. So I have prepared this before, so I think that I'm gonna share some of the points that I may include in my writing because I have written it before too. So later I'm gonna read it to you, so you can know what is the form of the essay, what it's like, and you're gonna know how to write it too. So don't be afraid. Everything's gonna be fine. Points in favor. If things in life are free, they are saying that they are the best. So maybe if those things are free, maybe the happiness. You cannot buy happiness. You can say I would like $1 for a day happiness, $2 for 2 hours of happiness. No. So maybe happiness is the first thing you may include. Points in favor to support your idea. Family, yeah, family love. Also share and then care. You know that. When you live in a family, as a family member, you need to look after other people in your family, your dad, your mom, and those people. We need to talk to them, take care of them, and be polite to them. Yeah, they're older than us, not our mates. And so that I thought of those two ideas. If you have more, you can write into that box. It's okay. Doesn't matter how much. It's just how you think as much as you can and write it into that box. Okay, that was just my clue from me to you. Points against means the other side of the argument. They explained it for you. Things. I had two ideas. First, things might be priceless. Okay, because if the best things in life are always free, then people will not know. People will not even care of the things that are very pricey. It actually very pricey, but people doesn't know and just think that it is a normal stuff, and it might be going priceless at any time. We don't know, but like people don't know it. Okay, they just don't care, like that form. Second point, maybe people will not appreciate what they're having. Yes, support my idea, my first one at the against part. So you can write as many as you can. I just gave you my idea of my own, So speaking like I'm drunk, but I'm not. I'm saying at the beginning of the lesson, I say that I losing my sleeping every day because the match is at 1 a.m. Next match at 10 p.m. and 9 p.m. Okay, I had a chance to sleep. But it is the final. Maybe watch it at 1 a.m. too? No. Discuss later. We still have tomorrow. Friday. Exercise number 2. Choose the best 2 or 3 points from each group in the exercise number 1. Use them to complete the paragraphs 2 and 3 in this essay plan. So, you have written the ideas in the box. It is the key that help you doing the essay by putting in the essay plan. You can put if you write 2 point in favor or against, just write it down. Paragraph 2 and 3, fill it up. And or if you write 3, you can put it all in there as much as you can, but choose the best one. Okay, for this exercise number 2, choose the best one because I wrote only 2, so I will put all of 2 go to the paragraph 2 and 3, so it'll be longer. I can talk. Okay, I can write. So the form will be pattern 1, introduction. Introduce the topic. Show that you understand the title of the essay and what it needs to cover. Yes, you have to explain like the writer's essay on the page 22. Have not read it. It's just before this page. Look next. Before it. Para 2, points in flavor. So you put the idea in the exercise number 1, points in flavor. Put that into this blank. 1, 2, 3. Para 3, points against, just like para 2, but para 3 points against from the exercise number 1 you have thought of, then put it in. Para 4, the conclusion, sum up your own opinion. So put it in, fill it up, and we will go into the exercise number 3. Think the introduction to your essay and how to show that you understand the main issue. Decide what kind of things are free, what kinds of things are expensive, what question do you need to answer in the essay, but in your own words without copying the title. We'll be right back to do this exercise and more. Yeah.